Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Kia Telluride. We'll start by lightly sketching the basic rectangular shape of the vehicle. Think of it as building a foundation. Next, establish the wheelbase and ground clearance with simple horizontal lines. Then, gently outline the main body sections, like the hood and roofline, to get the overall proportions right. This initial step is crucial for a balanced drawing. Now, let's add some key features to bring your Telluride to life. Focus on the front, drawing the distinctive grille and the unique shape of the headlights. Move to the sides, outlining the windows and the prominent, squared-off wheel arches. Don't forget to add the door lines and side mirrors. These details really help define the vehicle's profile and give it character. With the main body in place, it's time for the wheels and finer details. Carefully sketch the circular wheels, ensuring they are proportionate, and then add the spoke patterns. Next, refine the bumper details and any visible trim pieces, paying attention to their shapes. Finally, add subtle shadows and highlights to give your drawing depth and make the Telluride appear three-dimensional. These small touches make a big difference. To complete your Kia Telluride drawing, it's time for refinement. Gently erase any unnecessary construction lines from your initial sketch, leaving only the desired outlines. Then, darken the main outlines to make the vehicle stand out clearly on the page. Finally, add some thoughtful shading to create a polished and realistic look, bringing your Telluride to its finished form. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.